Today, we're diving into a very modern question. Can I order cigarettes on Doordash? It's a query that has gained traction with the rising popularity of delivery services. Let's unpack the complexities surrounding this topic. Firstly, the answer to whether you can order cigarettes on Doordash isn't straightforward and largely depends on your location and specific regulations in place. Doordash, like many delivery platforms, must comply with local laws regarding the sale and delivery of tobacco products. In some areas, Doordash does allow for the delivery of cigarettes and other tobacco products. However, this service is tightly regulated. For instance, customers must be of legal smoking age in their jurisdiction, and in many cases, they are required to verify their age at the time of delivery. This often means producing a valid government-issued ID to the Doordash driver for verification. Moreover, the availability of tobacco products for delivery might also depend on whether local retailers have partnered with Doordash for this purpose. Not all stores that sell tobacco products may choose or be able to offer them for delivery through the Doordash platform. It's also important to mention that even where tobacco delivery is permitted, there may be additional fees or restrictions that apply. For example, there could be limitations on the amount of tobacco that can be purchased in a single order, or higher delivery fees might be charged for tobacco products compared to other items. On the other hand, in regions where the delivery of tobacco products is prohibited by local laws or regulations, Doordash will not offer cigarettes or any other tobacco products for delivery. This is a testament to the evolving nature of e-commerce and how it intersects with public health policies and regulations. In conclusion, whether you can order cigarettes on Doordash is subject to where you live and the specific rules in effect in your area. This highlights the broader dialogue about the delivery of regulated substances and how companies navigate the complexities of operating across diverse legal landscapes. Thank you for watching. This discussion sheds light on the myriad factors that influence the delivery services we have come to rely on. Whether it's tobacco products or groceries, understanding the legal and regulatory environment is crucial. Stay informed and make sure to check the guidelines in your area before placing an order.